Okay, here's my final ScareCrow ApplePicker Kaboom style game. Okay, so here's what I'm looking for. This would be, I think, an A game. I don't know, or something like that. All right, so starting off, yes, it starts off in the menu. I'm going to maximize on play here. In the menu of my game, and I could always say, okay, there, return, and we'll say Apple Picker. Now, so if we catch a bucket, we gain a life up to 3. We should avoid the pitchforks. Avoid, lose a life. The bags, gain points for catching, lose life on miss. Okay, so we want to catch all those. And rock is nothing. All right, fair enough. Press any key to start. All right. Whoops. Should not have caught that. All right. Oh, there's buckets. And some rocks. Oh, score some points. It's also, I don't know if you can tell, but it is speeding up. Ah! It's pretty tricky. Yeah. And once I die, things continue to happen, but I am a tombstone. I can't catch anything. My score will not change. It'll keep speeding up, though, just for the heck of it. There we go. That was my Apple Picker variation this semester called the ScareCrow. Hope you liked it. Take care, everybody. Oop, I'm going to stop the game so I can stop the recording.